Yes, everybody, how's it going? We are back again for another YouTube video today. It is the Wednesday, 5th of August, and we're going to basically go over the trades we took today and the account metrics overall. Yeah, as you know, if you watched the last video, we did pass phase 1, so we're now on to phase 2, which is the verification, and I'm just going to go over the 2 trades that we took today. Did take 2 losses, unfortunately, but it is what it is. So just kind of basically going off of my reasoning for today. It was at POC on the daily time frame. We had a huge push up from POC. Okay, price was clearly bullish. 4-hourly time frame, massive push up from POC, clearly bullish. We've just taken this high here. We're very overextended from London session. Okay, London session just happened, or Asia session, mid London session. Very overextended. I'm expecting some sort of pullback before we look to continue to make our way up. Hourly time frame started to give us a bit of a pullback after we'd taken out the high. 30-minute time frame created a bearish engulfing to basically push price down. 15-minute time frame also bearish engulfing, and the 5-minute time frame was underneath POC. 50 minutes still POC all the way down here. Sometimes price does like to rebalance and come make its way down closer towards POC, and then it rebalances again, and then price push back up. So I'm expecting some sort of rebalance drop. Okay. 5-minute time frame I was waiting to was underneath POC, which is great. We had this push up. Price then had a massive drop, dump. We had this first of all here, this position just here. My thinking was we've got a fair value gap just here for the 5-minute time frame. Price had come up, tapped into the 5-minute fair value gap and pushed back down again. My thoughts is we're going to continue to push our way back down. So we entered off of this bearish engulfing here after we tapped into the 5-minute fair value gap. Okay, price nearly stopped us out, put us into a bit of profit, and then it came back and stopped us out. Okay, is what it is. Price then pushed back down again. Yeah, price pushed back down again. We inversed this gap here. We got in here. Price was in profit, and then for some reason it just swept back up again and stopped us out again. Fairly annoying. This zone here was like a stop out zone for some reason. Obviously it took a few people out, had their stop loss here. Me, realistically, it was a bit silly of myself looking back at it now. I should have had my stop loss above the fair value gap, this one here on the 1-minute time frame. Maybe enter a smaller position. Stop loss above here would have made a little bit more sense, because if we did inverse the gap, then it would have been clear that we're going to continue to make our way up. As you can see here, we've inversed the gap and price is continuing to push up, and would have still been in the position and would have hit TP. This is obviously quite lucky that we literally got ticked into TP and then prices boost back up again. But my zone was at 4150, which is around psychological level. For myself, as you can see, literally 4150.20 and then price push back up again. Stop loss placement was obviously not the best, and we got stopped out for 2 positions, which is unfortunate. Oh, stop yawning every time I do a video. I don't know what it is, but yeah, price did push down, hit our TP, push back up, and price is continuing to push up now. I don't want to take any more trades for today. We're just going to leave it and come back tomorrow. We are very, very heavily extended on most time frames to the upside. I reckon we could probably break 4200. If we do break 4200, we could have another bull run again in the market of gold like we did last year. But as of now, we're just going to be waiting and see what happens with the chart. Push above. Price could very well make its way up and continue to push up. We'll just have to wait and see. Onto the account metrics, which I'll show you now. So the account is down 1.76% at the minute. Not any more trades being taken today. I want to. Practically down 2%, which is fine. 2 trades we've taken today. We obviously need 4 winning days. Fuck off. We need 4 winning days. Max loss is 500 for the day. Max loss is 1,000. We still have 8%. We can regain this 2% back, no problem. We're down 176 on the day. £88 average loss. Yeah, nothing crazy really to go over here. Don't know why I keep yawning. 2 trades we took, 0.3, 0.5. We took a £55 loss and a £120 loss on this. Which is, yeah, just unfortunate, obviously, but losses happen in trading. And we will come back tomorrow and see if there's any opportunity. Tomorrow is Thursday, there's no news. And then Friday we have NFP, so we'll be staying away on Friday. We may not trade tomorrow. We may just give this week a break, and I might just trade on my personal. And then just come back fresh next week after NFP. I'm sure the market is building up for NFP as well. But without further ado, yeah, that's the video. There's not really much else to go over. The account is down 2%. We're going to continue to grind it back up. We may take tomorrow off if there's no news tomorrow, so the market may move slow again. We'll have to see in the morning, maybe do ASA session, because it might have a big push up or push down. Fuck knows. And then obviously in preparation for NFP, it may be a slow day tomorrow because we've got NFP on Friday, so we may just take both days off and then come back on Monday and assess. But yeah, with that being said, that's the video, so I'll catch you on the next one. Make sure to leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you tomorrow if we trade. Peace.